In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own YouTube intro. My name is Anthony Allen. Welcome here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I upload 3 different types of content here at the moment on YouTube: gaming, video editing, and online money videos. And in this video editing video, I'm going to give you the tool that you're going to be able to use to create a YouTube intro. And I will leave a link to the tool that we'll be using in this video in the description beneath this video here on YouTube. There's a lot on offer here, and I'm going to dive in now and show you how this works, what this is, and how it can be beneficial to you. Let's go into the video editor of my choice at the moment, which is going to be Final Cut Pro 10 FCPX, and I'll show you how this is done. Let's go. So here we are in Final Cut Pro 10. You can see I already have a project open. You can see the panel and the timeline here. I already have some media inserted into my timeline. You can see the browser's open and ready. I'm going to close this panel here because I don't need it. I won't need any effects. And I'm also going to open up the titles and generators sidebar. You can see me hovering here and it says show or hide titles and generators sidebar. Once opened, I'm just going to get rid of the inspector here. I'm just going to click on this shortcut here to get rid of the inspector so we have a clearer view. You can see here the Pixar Film Studios FCPX social media pack. This is one of the packages that we're going to be using for our intros. So we're going to scroll through here. Let me just make sure that we're in the titles section. Make sure you're in the titles section after you've downloaded this plugin. I'm going to scroll through here and show you what's available, as well as the openers that we can see here, which is what we call the follow screens. These follow screens are intros that you can use, basic intros that you can customize to suit your needs. You can see it says follow screens here, and there is a various amount that you can select from. Down below here are the YouTube follow screens, and you can use these as a simple intro for your YouTube videos. You can skim over the piece of media here to see what it will look like, and it will give you a demonstration, and you can showcase what the effect looks like on screen there. Each of these come with a built-in transition, and I'll show you how to use those in a moment. I'm just going to scroll through this to show you what you're getting when you download this plugin, because not only are you getting those follow screens, you're also getting all of these assets along with it. You can even use these profile inserts here in your videos as an intro. If you'd like something like, for example, this Instagram follow here, you can literally put that on the screen as a part of a really quick intro. So that's an idea for you. I will also be showing you how to create the title effect intros that many gamers use on YouTube and other YouTube personalities and influencers use. Here you can see some subscribe buttons, so not only are you getting those intros with this main plugin here that I'm showing you, but you're also getting all these subscribe buttons that you can customize, move around on screen, and more. You are also getting, along with all of that, end screens. So for the end of your videos, you are also getting end screens, and I'll just give you a quick example of those there. I'm now going to show you how to use these plugins. We're going to create an intro very quickly just by dragging it into the timeline. You can see that it might need rendering if you want to showcase this in the timeline before you export, but I'm just going to skim over the top here to show you that built-in transition. So when you're using these really simple intros here, you can skim over it and you will see a transition. I'm going to use the M button to mark when the transition is complete. That way I can move the effect accordingly and create that intro effect seamlessly with that built-in transition. That's a little tidbit for you when you're using this plugin, as this will be an effective way that you can manage that built-in transition that comes with these intros here. Now this is the simple intro, and you can see if we open the inspector, we have a few things that we can toggle. I'm going to quickly show you that here now. So if I open the inspector on when we have this selected, you will see there are a few things that we can toggle, including the colors and the animation itself, as well as anything that comes along with it. There is also the title effects, and you can see the title effects here right now. These title effects, there are so many available, and it's really worthwhile, and you can use these as a YouTube intro as well. This is a separate plugin to the social media mega pack plugin. This plugin will be also in the description, and you will be able to find this link. This is absolutely amazing because you can find the style that suits you, from cinematic, cyberpunk, horror, weddings, award shows, 80s, and so much more. you can find an intro that really suits your channel and brand, and you can use that in your videos. Not only that, you can also sell these. So if you've made a template for yourself using these plugins and using these title effects that Pixar Film Studios have on offer, you can use these. Let me have a look at the cinematic volume 1. So there's more than one cinematic volume here. So there's a glossary of intros that you can use here. All of these are customizable. You can change the colors, you can change the font, you can change the animations and more. Here's another cinematic volume, and you can see even more in the browser there. These are all customizable. You can change the name, change the font and more. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I just thought I'd quickly show you how you can quickly make a YouTube intro using these plugins that are available at Pixar Film Studios. The title plugin is definitely one to have a look at, so have a look at that by clicking that link in the description. You will be able to be taken directly to the website to see what the prices of these plugins and also more information on what they can do for you. Just quickly giving you this idea of how you can make a YouTube intro using these plugins. We have two plugin packs available. The social media mega pack plugin that you saw, that was the main one that we use with the intros, outros and the sub buttons and more. That is a huge plugin package, but we also have those title packages, and I'll also be showing you that as well in the description. With that said, don't forget there is more right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I will be showing you a lot more, including gaming, editing and online money videos. You should see some of that content on screen right now. With that said, thank you for watching and you are awesome.